More than 130 years ago, in the year 1884, American journalists Charles Dow and Edward Jones revolutionized the stock market by creating the Dow Jones Index, which made it easier for investors to navigate through the market trends and invest in the best American corporations. Over the last century, after the foundation of the Dow Jones Index, other stock indexes came out, but not one of them became as famous and popular as Dow Jones, the father of all indexes. The Dow Jones Index reflects the dynamics of the shares of the so-called blue chips, the largest, most liquid and reliable companies. The term blue chip came to the stock market from the casino. The chips of this color are the most expensive in gambling. Historically, investments in stocks of Dow Jones components companies have brought more returns than any other passive investments, including savings accounts, real estate, stock market as a whole, shares of companies of other indexes, largest mutual and investment funds. With the recent appearance of cryptocurrencies, the growth of their reputation and popularity, millions of investors around the world saw enormous potential and began to invest through crypto exchanges. In order for crypto investors to get more returns with lower risks, our ANVA fund created the Dow Jones Crypto Analog, the ANVA Index that includes selected crypto blue chips with a capitalization of about and more than $1 billion in a medium price range. To date, the ANVA Index, the golden mean of cryptocurrencies, includes 12 blue chips, each creating an innovation in the niche where it works. And if, by buying these currencies separately, the investor bets on the idea, business model and achievements in one particular niche, then by owning the ANVA tokens issued by our fund for convenient investments in the ANVA Index, you bet on all these blue chips simultaneously in following niches: instantaneous smart contracts, special services of the large crypto exchange, decentralized applications and anonymous corporations, cross-blockchain communications and transactions, interactions with a single source of truth, ecosystem for JavaScript developers, fast and free payments in the real world, open payment system and decentralized exchange, distributed trust collaboration platform, value transfer protocol, products and information platform, blockchain for the Internet of Things. Diversified investments in the ANVA Index, despite the strong turbulence of the cryptocurrency market in the first months of the year 2018, could have brought higher returns than investments in such famous cryptocurrencies as Bitcoin and Ethereum, not included in our index due to their high price. Naturally, the capitalization of the components of the ANVA Index and their prices are constantly changing during the market trading. One currency dips in the required capitalization or price, the other one grows. We constantly monitor the trading of the components of our index, and once in every 3 months we do their revision, and according to its results we can exclude some currency from the index and add another one to its place, as do the publishers of Dow Jones and other stock and crypto indexes. Thus, by investing in the ANVA token, tracking the value of the ANVA Index, which is constantly inspected and regularly updated by the ANVA fund, you increase the returns of your investments and reduce their risks. Tracking the ANVA Index, the ANVA token, as one convenient blue chip for several selected blue chips, is your guarantee for a high investment effect and a reduced risk on crypto market. This high effect and reduced risk for more than 100 years by now are received in the stock market by investors in blue chips of the Dow Jones Index, similar to which works the ANVA Crypto Index, published by the ANVA Fund.